Too late, adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to the channel, welcome to the new video. Today, Harmony, I mean several other videos today, but one of those is Harmony. So we're gonna look at Harmony, what's been happening, and where is this going? So let's get into the charts, enough with the chit chat, see what's actually happening. And last time we did video, we did up here, I think at 117. 170, something like that, give or take. Okay, it was on this candle over here, and I said this is the top. We have to have some kind of correction. We have to get down some moving averages, and it did. So basically what it did, it went all the way down to the 0.13, then it went above that to 0.22, then down to 0.15, and now it's at 0.18. So basically what it did after it came to the top, it went sideways direction. It was waiting for this 10 moving average to catch up with it. So will the 10 moving average support line and move further up, or will it maybe wait for the 20 moving average even have a slight drop before it continues up? That's what we actually want to know. So just to say it again, when I said this is the top, I don't mean this is the top of the bull run. I mean this is the local top, just like this over here was the top, or this over here was the top, or this was the top. They are all the tops, but we timed when the top is gonna get there. We said this is the top because it pumped too hard. A lot of technicals were overbought, and then that means you have to have some kind of pullback, some kind of a correction, some kind of sideways movement, so that the moving averages and the other technicals can reset a bit, and then we can get another move. So I think Harmony one, there is a lot of bullishness around Harmony. I think Harmony one is getting ready to have one of these, one more of these bullish moves, but we have to check actually what's actually happening. So let's clear this up and see what we have on the daily. Let me just first see the weekly chart. Nothing on the weekly. Let me see. Okay, it's good. So this candle over here, it's a lot bigger than this candle over here. So this is something, the thing we called bullish engulfing candlestick. So that means that it's a very bullish. It means price should continue moving up after that, right? But this is not closed yet, so it can always go down and stuff like that. The thing is, we want to get above these levels. So you can see here we got above the level, but then we dropped all the way down, and now we are back above the level. So if this stands above this level, so if we can today close above this level over here, what's that, 0.176, if we can today close about 0.76, that means that this move over here above the all-time high was actually confirmed, because we went down and then found the support again, right? Second day we held the support. Third day we didn't hold the support, but on the fourth day we jumped above it with the engulfing candle once again, and that's gonna confirm that this actually over here 0.70 is support, and that's gonna be a very, to me it's gonna be very bullish signal to go higher up. But I want to see today how this is gonna close. It's too early to tell if this is the top, or if this correction is finished or not. But if you can close above this line over here 0.7 today, we are pretty much good. What we're gonna do now is gonna go down to the 4-hourly chart, and I'm gonna say a few words about it. So just looking at the moving averages, you can see here, let's move this over here. You can see here that the price found on the 4-hourly support on the 50 moving average, and after that it pumped above the 10 and the 20 moving average. So it looks very bullish now. But is it? So now comes to the part of the video where I'm gonna teach you something. I'm gonna draw two trend lines, and I'm going to ask you which one of these trend lines is more important. Okay, or correct. Which one of these trend lines is the correct one? So let's remove the moving averages first, and now let's draw the trend lines. So you can see here that when the price made these two tops over here, you could start drawing something like this. Especially this drop over here actually seems very important to me. So I'm thinking it's hitting some kind of bottoms, or some kind of bottoms over here. I think something like this maybe. something like this. Yeah, this looks to, right to me, because here, although it did cross over this part over here, this is a wick top over here, wick top, so it was used as a resistance up here. Then once we crossed it on the way down there, it was used as support over here as well, support over here. You can see here, try to keep support and then just flush down right when it broke the support, right? So it broke the support, went up, and you can see here now it's testing the same line over here. It's testing the same line over here. It's acting as a resistance line. That's why we stopped over here, because of this line over here. Very important line. Now let me draw another line, and another line can be drawn something like this. Something like this, I think. Where's over here, over there? Yeah. So let me just remove this line very quick, and I'm gonna explain the second line, because this line confirms this stop over here, also confirms these wicks over here, even better because of this touch over here, right? So you got all these touches, even this touch over here. So this resistance line it's already firmly established all the way here. And when you go back, we went down on the wick and hit on the wick exact line that we had over here, went back above it, slowly go down, and we got support on the line. Now we got support, not resistance, support on the line, and now we're going up again. So the question comes now, which of these lines is the correct line? And before I give you the answer to which line is the correct line, how to draw the trend lines, I want you to press the like button before you know the answer. And after the answer, wait, you can wait for the answer, and then I want you to press the like button, because that's gonna help you to algorithm on my channel, Allready Bank, right? And I also want you to subscribe to the channel, because I want you to grow, and you can learn something like these things. So the answer to which of these lines is the correct one is that they are both correct. They are both correct. They are both the same. They have both value in the technical analysis, and you can see here right now we are in some kind of a expanding move over here that we are going. So we can still go down to this line over here, or if we break it, we're gonna break it on the upside. So both are acting as support and the resistance line, and they are both equally important. There is no such thing in technical analysis that there is only one fit line that fits the narrative of whatever it is. Both are important, both are right, and both should be respected. And you can see here it was respect on the downside, it is respect on the upside. So what we want to ultimate, that's why I'm saying the Chile, I'm not quite sure whether whether a harmony is a finish with the correction or not, because you can still go. I'm gonna show you some indicators also. As I said, that we are not finished with the overbought levels, especially on the weekly. That's why I'm actually fearful right now. Now, the first thing I'm not totally sure where this is going is because we are hitting this resistance over here. But the good part is we got support on the 50 moving average. We broke the 10 and 20, and we are above it. So we are technically bullish on the moving averages. Let me see daily. In the daily, we got support on the 10 moving average right here on the dot. We got support on the 10 moving. So that looking at it like that, we are very bullish. But we are getting some kind of a resistance up here. That should be taken into account. Okay, so I don't want to be overly bullish right now, but I'm taking it. So the reason I'm not overly bullish is on the week, because of the weekly chart. So let me just show you the weekly chart. I'm going to show you this this RSI indicator. RSI right now, every time RSI got this time got up to 90, then you had this big correction. This time over here got also 84, but this is during the some kind of before the bull run. Bull run started in November, around here, so this is before the bull run, right? So this should be disregarded. But this over here, you can see here it got all the way up to 92, and then it had correction, and now we are up. We had 93, and now we have like 94, something like that. So the RSI is still being pushed, extended upwards, but I feel it has like how much this can go also to 67, 68. So this can still be pushed, but it is on overbought level. Especially taking into account that today is Sunday, so tomorrow is going to be Monday. This can close. So if it closes on these levels, like I should take my precaution and be careful. The good thing is that on the daily we are only at 66. 70. So the time I would start getting really worried is next week, when this daily also starts getting up to the maybe 90 levels or something like that. 90 levels, and when the daily is on 90 levels and the RSI maybe even starts going towards 95, 96, you might see the actually like blow off top again, like, and you gonna get like a couple of weeks with a certain correction. So right now it does look bullish. It does look bullish. I'm not gonna lie. It does look bullish. We are above the certain moving averages, especially on the 4-hour. We got support on the 10 moving average on the daily. As soon as we break this line over here, 0.90, it's gonna be very good. On the daily, like we said, we have to break this. What's that? Again, on the daily, we have to break this 0.17 line, and once that's broken, this line, if this closes above 0.70, I think it's gonna be very good, because 0.70 is exactly where this 10 and 20 moving averages. 20 moving averages actually just a little bit above, but I would like it to close above all of these moving averages, and that would be perfect perfect for harmony. So there you go, guys. Subscribe to the channel. I hope you already liked the video, so you don't have to do that twice. And if you want to see more of harmony updates, subscribe to the channel, man. It doesn't hurt. It cannot hurt. I know you have a 100 subscription to other channels. 101 subscription does not hurt, and it helps my channel grow. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again today or tomorrow or something like that. Bye bye.